Hey y'all, this is Melvin with Narrow Path Roofing and Construction. You see we're here about to get ready to attempt repair on this particular shingle right here. We have a 15-year-old, 20-year 3-tab. We're in Rome, Georgia, at Miss Orr's property. So we're gonna go ahead and get started here. I got this one marked so we can always know which one that we're working with. And so I do see, just by me looking right here, that the shingle does start right here. So it's gonna be these 3 tabs right here. Go ahead and mark them. These 3 tabs right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to start. As you see already, I'm trying to break the seal right here, and it's already giving me trouble from breaking the seal. We see it's already broke through the matting and through the shingle right here. But I'm gonna try. See right here, it's already breaking. Shingle a little hotter today than I thought. We got the old shingle here. I'm come in with the new shingle. Just wanted to point out that just by trying to break the seal right here, we see what we got going right there. All right, y'all, we got this particular shingle in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to nail this bad boy back in. All right. And if you notice, I'm not gonna lift the shingle any further than what it needs to be, or any further than what the roof snakers are gonna allow. So as we see, we got creasing going along right here. So I'm gonna put an F right here. As we see that creasing, even got creasing going along right here as well. You see the granule loss going across the top right here. And also I did want to make mention of the mat transfer here. We see that fiberglass that's been pulled from down here. Obviously we see what went on right here by the ripping of the shingle. So just wanted to point those few things out. And from what we see, this obviously would result in a fail, just by what we have here, and it's going to be a little bit too brittle for us to repair. So thank you.